wanted to show you guys my new photo box. Never owned one, but I do sell stuff on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and a couple of the other places, and I always just take pictures of my items in this ugly background. So I thought I'd invest in a photo box, and I got the bigger one. So let me first show you the different backgrounds. So most of us that are new to this just kind of take pictures and have it in our regular home background when we post our items. Well, this one comes with several different backgrounds. You have the white, the red, the blue, black, cream, and your classic green. Okay, so here's the actual box. Easy storage, nice and thin. It's canvas, all Velcro closed. You just open it up. And you don't even need instructions. Velcro closed. So I have it upside down right now, but I'll fix it. This is actually the top. So, spin this around like this. Okay. Here's the front. I'm going to go ahead and put the lights in there. The lights mount on top. So, I'm going to use a white background. I'm showing you the non-fancy and quick way to set it up. Here are the lights that mount. They come together and assembled, so you really don't have anything to do other than mount them on the sides right here. You just kind of slip on. Here it's snap on. There you go. You can adjust them. Here's a power supply. I'm going to plug it in. Like that. Move the light over. And then let me just show you real quick the on and off and the dimmer on here. So here's a power on and off dimmer. Hold it long. That's how bright it is. And then you can dim it lighter. Or hold it long to shut it off. Hold it long to turn it on. Okay. So, that's your lights. I have that little cover right there, so it's not staying, but it will stay. Here's the lid. So you can take a photo from on top, or you can take a photo from the front. So let's say I want to take a photo of this speaker. I didn't take off this piece, but let me show you. Here's what it looks like. There you go. There's your white background. That's a fast and easy way to set it up. You'll see the lights up there. You can dim the lights, but anything you want. And you can also take a photo from the inside. It's the top version. Anyway, early review, quick and easy. Like it.